Hello guys, so in this video I'll show you some StarPets promo code. So the first thing you want to do is type in starpets.gg in your search bar, and then you want to go to your profile and click on promo codes. So the first promo code you want to use is called Key Gaga, and you want to activate the promo code, and you get a top up bonus. So if you click on the top up bonus and click on confirm, you will get some bonus when you deposit some money. And in this video, I will show you another one. So if you go back to promo codes, and then you want to enter Bacon King, and if you activate the promo code, you also get a top-up bonus. So if you click on the top-up bonus, you can click on confirm, and it's the same thing. So when you deposit something, you'll get an extra top-up. And I want to show you another promo code. So if you go back to the promo code section, and you type in Snowy, and click on activate promo code, you get another top-up bonus. So again, if you click on it and click on confirm, when you deposit some money, you'll get a 10% bonus.